Welcome to Allie Picked, and today's quick trick. This is my own version of another trick called log stacker. I don't want to use the same name, so I'm going to call mine Sardines. I made this using my favorite wood, walnut, and instead of using this clear sliding lid, mine has a coffin style lid. It's a fun puzzle box you can build in one day using some scrap wood and a 1/2-inch dowel rod. The challenge is to put all 14 of these 1/2-inch dowel rod pieces back into the box and close the lid. It's a lot more difficult than it looks, and today I'm going to show you how to build and solve this cool puzzle trick. Although there are 2 ways to solve this puzzle, I'll only be showing you one of the ways. Well, honestly, I haven't even figured out the second method myself. Here's a drawing I made detailing the dimensions for all the parts that make up the puzzle. The key is the inside dimensions of the wooden box. It's built specifically for 14 1/2-inch diameter dowel pieces. I found this walnut wood at the hobby store for $6 after using a 40% off coupon. You can use thick or thin scrap wood to build the wooden box. It doesn't really matter as long as the inside dimensions are correct. Using thinner wood like I'm using is definitely more challenging. I'm using micro drill bits to make pilot holes in the wood. I'll use 2 nails as the hinges for the lid. Linseed oil on walnut wood gives it a nice look and feel. For the dowels, I have several different types of wood. Staining them or leaving them natural would make the different woods obvious. In order to use them together, I'll first sand them with 80 grit sandpaper to give them all a similar look and feel. Now I'll darken all of them using a propane torch. Now a quick coat of any type of finish to seal them and keep the black soot residue off your hands. You could probably even make your own variation of this as well. And if you don't want to build a wooden box, I found a similar box at the Hobby Lobby store. It's a different size, but you might be able to use smaller dowel rods and adjust it to fit the box. So it's a fun little project, and once again, something cool made out of junk. Thanks for watching Allie Picked and today's quick trick.